Alright, in this video I'm going to be answering a question, and that is, what is a catalyst? I'm going to answer this in the simplest way that I can. A catalyst is any news event that has either a negative or a positive effect on an asset's price. Now here's a couple examples of catalysts. The first one I'm starting with is a positive catalyst, which was when the Chinese president announced that they were going to go pro-blockchain, that they were going to be diving into the blockchain industry. This one's kind of an interesting one because this was mistaken that the China was getting into cryptocurrency, but in reality, China was only going for blockchain technology itself without the crypto. They had to come back later and specify this because people were buying into cryptocurrency in China, and that's frowned upon in China. Anyways, this initially started out as a positive effect because when it did happen, the price of Bitcoin skyrocketed by 40% in 2 days. And that's pretty fucking insane, even for Bitcoin. Now, of course, when they specified that it was just blockchain, of course, Bitcoin ended up bleeding, and then it fell. Moving on. An example of a negative catalyst would be, let's just say some random biotech company has a setback in its phase 2 trials, and that hits the news. People see that, they're gonna be like, well, this company doesn't seem like it's getting anywhere with what it's working on, so I'm not gonna keep my stocks in it. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna go find something better. So this has a negative effect. It's gonna cause the price to go down. Now, catalysts don't have to just affect a single asset. There are catalysts out there that can affect multiple assets and can have different effects on different assets, depending on what that catalyst is. And we are actually experiencing one of those right now. And I'm sure you all know what I'm about to say. I'm sure you weren't aware that I was just about to draw a random line. But the coronavirus. The coronavirus can have both negative and positive effects. Negative effect, obviously, is on the Dow Jones, which dropped 600 points. Regular stocks, I have stocks in the stock market, and most of them are red. And yeah, it's not good as far as the stock market goes. But safe haven assets are essentially an escape from this drop. So obviously this is going to have a positive effect on safe haven assets such as gold or Bitcoin or whatever else, precious metals. Although I can't really say that Bitcoin's recent price action was because of the coronavirus, because technical analysis shows that Bitcoin was due for a surge either way, whether the coronavirus happened or not. Bitcoin was in a 7-month downtrend, then it had an inverse head and shoulders pattern form, and it was a pretty big one, which caused a reversal, causing it to break out of its downtrend, and then, yeah, it led to a bullish surge, which also broke above the 200 daily moving average, and we are still moving. I mean, well, technically we stalled out at around the 9,300 area, but that's besides the point. So the coronavirus can't necessarily be blamed for the recent price action, but if the coronavirus gets worse, it's likely to start having an effect on Bitcoin's price and gold's price and whatever else. But this video, this was just meant to be informative about catalysts and what they are. So yeah, it's a pretty fucking short video. With that, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.